Here are some common signs of a bad engine air filter. 1. Reduced engine performance. First up, one of the most noticeable symptoms of a bad air filter is reduced engine performance. If you find that your car is sluggish, has poor acceleration, or is struggling to maintain speed, it might be because your engine isn't getting enough air. 2. Black smoke from the exhaust. If the filter is severely clogged, too much fuel may be injected into the engine due to improper air-fuel mixture, resulting in black smoke from the exhaust. 3. Poor fuel economy. Another sign of a clogged air filter is poor fuel economy. If you're using more gas than usual, a dirty air filter could be the culprit, as it forces your engine to work harder and burn more fuel. 4. Unusual engine sounds. Strange or unusual engine sounds like popping or sputtering could also indicate that your air filter is clogged. A lack of air can cause combustion problems, which may lead to these sounds. 5. Check engine light. If your check engine light comes on, it might be related to your air filter. Some modern cars have sensors that detect low airflow and trigger the warning light. 6. Visible dirt or damage on the air filter. A simple way to check if your air filter is bad is to take a look at it. If it's visibly dirty, full of debris, or clogged, it's time to replace it. These signs indicate that the engine air filter is not functioning properly and should be replaced to maintain optimal vehicle performance.